I went the wrong way. Now I'm stuck. Alright, so real life. We're doing some work today. You can probably hear the tractor in the background. We're clearing a little area on our property so that we can tin camp, hopefully tonight. And we're going to be working on the area around the pond because of all the rain and the vegetation that's grown up. It is not draining. So we're going to get in there and pull some weeds and everything. I'm going to flip you around right quick. And there's my dad. He graciously offered to help.
He's only working in the shade.
So we got to take these weeds down, and that area too that he's working on is the dam area, and that's hopefully we'll be camping tonight with our roommates, the goats. She's pretty friendly. The other ones are not so much. They won't really come up. There's my fur brother taking it easy. Living the life. Act like he's crazy.
I'm gonna go cut some shit.
Made a pretty good dent. Got most of the dam cleared. Still a little bit left to do there. But he's got to go the whole way around. Dad bush hogged it up until... What?
Good, pull it out of there.
Dad bush hogged it up until the water line, so now it's on Tommy to do the rest. And he found a bucket of treasure. He's all suited up. He's getting ready to go in there and clear out the drainage line. My dad, hashtag my hero. He wouldn't let me do it. I went the wrong way. Now I'm stuck. I'll get out, I'm fine. Nobody panic. So I got free.
Foot went deeper last time. Legs back or something. There's not a pipe under there?
Nope.
Huh.
Cows kept it clear. Once the cows weren't on it anymore, that's when all this happened. That's this spot here.
Yeah, this one's right.
That's gonna go. all downhill.
Hey girls. Hey. Hey roommates. Y'all are pretty. So Dad and I are taking a break while Tommy continues to work. Let me turn you around.
We're supervising. We're not breaking.
Right. Hoe those weeds, Tommy.
Always tell somebody how they're doing it wrong.
We got some drainage though. Good job.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
Yeah. That's
Move that water bowl.
Cool. That's why. That's why the ways it's actually is good. That's why you'll get to end up. You'll wing out.
proud of you. You're gonna get a raise next quarter. So we got our camp spot picked out, and now we're down here at the creek getting some rock for our fire pit that we're gonna make later. Tommy's borrowing some from this dryer area here.
How many shovels we just leave behind?
Why didn't you bring the shovels?
Let me get that big rock out.
Y'all, we got a blue heron. Look at it.
That son of a bitch is huge.
It is huge. It's so beautiful.
It flew off when we got over here, but he only flew to the other side.
Let's see if I can zoom in any. Probably not. Nope, that's as far as I can go. How cool. That's awesome. There he goes.
I think we might have pissed some bullfrogs off.
Did I not say? And bam, fire pit.
Plenty.
And some birch, river birch. That will actually burn when it's wet. It's what the Native Americans used to build smokeless fires. Frogs are singing pretty loud. It sounds like a bunch of teenage girls saying, hi, 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 hi.
I've heard that
Hi.
before.
Yeah.
Ready?
Want to give my sister-in-law a little shout out for the front tag she made for us. She is a cricket wizard. Well, all right.
Well, all right. Well, I tell you what.
What an exhausting weekend. My mom and I had a really good time, though. She's never done Snapchat before, so we had fun with those filters.
Yeah, we went up there to try to. Well, we had overachieving goals.
Yeah,
So we were going to clean the whole pond up.
had no idea.
It was going to be crystal clear when we got done, but you know that pond needs a lot of work.
It was 100 degrees.
It was hot as hell, and thankfully we had our father-in-law out there or my father-in-law.
Your father-in-law, it's my dad,
out there to help us.
who is a badass, by the way.
He jumped right in there and bush hogged everything around.
He
the
wouldn't
pond.
let us get in the pond. He was determined that he was going to do that.
It's a lot of work, and
It's a little dangerous too, because if you
Yeah.
topple over, that's all bog.
yeah,
You know, I got stuck in it. If you topple over and there's nobody there to help you, you're gonna be in pretty big trouble.
yeah. We thought we was gonna clean that thing in a day or two. You know, it's probably going to take a group of people a week to get it all cleaned back out. Like he said, the cows used to have access to it, so they kept a lot of that stuff down and clean, and wasn't no big issue. And we set up our camp down there. We camped down there 2 nights, and it was awesome. Had the bullfrog.
Thank God for my parents' pool.
Yes.
Because that saved our life too.
Yes.
We were so overheated.
And I will say that chainsaw didn't sound like much, but the battery
cleared that whole
stuff,
it cleared that whole dam out.
Yeah, it works really good, but thank God that the batteries do die.
Yeah.
Because I probably would have died myself out there. But when the batteries died, that's when we hit the pool, and that was the end of that.
Yeah. That's when we decided, A, Dad's right. A backhoe is a fantastic idea. And B,
and we got one of them on order.
Yeah. B, it was going to take a lot more than just a weekend to get that cleared up, because that tickweed has created such a
Duckweed.
Yeah, tickweed. Tickweed is a thing, okay? It's native to Georgia, but the duckweed has created such a cover on there, and without aeration and without drainage, we were really concerned. And my mom was the one who was like, hey guys, really worried about a fish kill over here, so
we're going to go back up and regroup and hopefully get it all cleaned up before the end of this year.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Sure. Yep.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. Till next time, bye-bye. Stay spicy.